switch to open position, the awning begins to open. When the awning cannot be fully opened, insert the adjusting rod into the bottom hole of motor, and adjust it to plus direction until it is completely open. When the awning is fully open but the motor is still running, insert the adjusting rod into bottom hole of motor and adjust to the dash direction until the motor stop running. This way awning is the best display effect. Turn the switch to the closed position, the awning starts to close. When the awning cannot be fully closed, insert the adjusting rod into upper hole of the motor, and adjust to plus direction until awning completely close.